Active Inspire has different profiles that you're able to use, and the advantage of this compared to perhaps Active Studio that you might have seen before is that it's possible to switch between profiles without shutting the program down. So they provide one which is at the board. Mainly the icons there are things that you might use while you're in the classroom actually teaching. Authoring profile, on the other hand, has more icons that you might use when you're preparing materials. And the mathematics one, which I'm going to switch to in a minute, has more mathematical tools provided. So you can click on the switch profiles icon, flick down to perhaps to the mathematics one, and then after a moment or two the software updates, and you can see now I've got lots of tools like the dice rolling and the ruler and the compass, which would be more to do with mathematics. Another thing though that you can do is create your own profile. So I'm going to start with the mathematics one and make perhaps one which is more suited specifically to teaching geometry. So I'm going to customize that profile, and that will bring up the customize menu, and then here on the right hand side are the icons that are currently on that profile. So perhaps I'm going to take some of those out. These ones are the ones more related to using voting systems, so if I'm not using one of those I'll take that out, and perhaps going further down, the dice, which is perhaps not for geometry, I'd get rid of that. And then on the other side, these are the tools I can then add. I shall add some more of those, so possibly some of these reflections and tools that might be useful. And you can see now that the profile's been updated. What I'm going to do now then is save that profile under a different name. So go back to customizing it, and then at the top there I can then save as, give it a name, perhaps geometry, and when I've saved that I've now got another profile called geometry. So if I click in the profiles now, you can see that's added at the bottom. So you can create some very topic specific or subject specific toolbars if you like.